Out here early this morning at Drummonds Elementary, got 11 access points to run. And as you can probably hear, I've already been inside. And it looks like, unfortunately, they forgot to turn the alarm off. Here I have the map that I marked up to show the locations of the access points. That's what these little blue dots are. There's going to be a total of 11 Cat6 we're running. Most of these drops are going to be coming off their main data rack right there. So the plan of attack is going to be to set up the boxes of cable out here in the hallway to make the pulls a lot easier, and then I'll just pull off enough slack to get it over to the rack. Got the cable to the access point location in the first classroom. Now it's time to terminate. Got the first one finished up. The technologies department for the school system is gonna be the ones actually installing the access point. I'll just put a little black piece of tape right there to let them know the location, and they'll pull that down when they install the access point. Let's drill a hole. Now that I got all 8 cables coming off this MDF ran into the rack, I'm going to go ahead and get them dressed down and terminated, and then we'll move over to the IDF and finish out the last 3 runs. And here we are at the IDF where I'm going to be running the last 3 cables. Let me go ahead and get some of this out of the way, get set up, and we'll knock it out. Got all 3 cables ran and terminated. Now time to get them labeled and passed into the switch. Got another one wrapped up. Took me about 7 hours to get all 11 ran, labeled, tested, and all that good jazz. Now it's time to load everything up back onto the truck and head to the second job I have today. I'm not going to be recording that job, so until next time.